So it says use the number line to find 4 plus -4. So we start at 4 because that's our first number. And it says now we're going to add -4. So on a number line, our positive direction is always to the right, and our negative direction is always to the left. So it says we're adding -4, so we're going to go to the left 4. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And so when I add -4, so this is adding -4, I get 0. And this is called an additive inverse. So this is the sum of a number and its opposite is 0. This is just like that example in our warm-up that we did talking about when we owe money. So we found in our warm-up that if I owe someone $1 and then I give them that dollar, then now I don't owe them any money. So same thing here. So this is saying that I'm adding to what I have. So if I had $4 and then I took away $4, now I'm at $0. So it goes both ways. So if you owe somebody money or if you owe money, as long as you add its opposite, so 4 and its opposite, it's always going to give you 0.